So hi, I'm Gavrilo,
And I'm Angela.
and we're here on the behalf of Informational Technology High School located in Serbia.
Yes, and today we are talking about our project experiences.
So tell me, Angela, how was the experience? Did you like it?
Yes, I'm very glad because I was part of that project, and I very interesting about this because we learned a lot of new things, and I hope that we will meet another time. And I think also this is the best time and the best way to get to know each other. And how about you?
Well, we've had a very good time. We visited a lot of beautiful places, and I think it was nice. We've learned the basics of Unity game development. As I saw, our great new friends got interested in game development as well, which is
Yes.
nice. So yeah, it was awesome, and I really hope that we get to meet each other in the future and we get to experience something similar to this. So thank you a lot for this, and yeah.
See you. Bye.